Let's be honest. Saving money in America right now feels impossible. Rent is up, groceries are expensive, and wages aren't keeping up. The idea of having $10,000 sitting in your bank account might sound like a fantasy. But here is the truth. The first $10,000 is the hardest money you will ever save. Charlie Munger, Warren Buffett's partner, famously said, "The first 100K is a bitch, but before that, you need the first 10K. Once you cross this line, the math changes. Interest starts working for you, not against you."
Today, I'm giving you the exact step-by-step blueprint to hit your first $10,000 in 2025, even on a low income. No skipping lattes, just math. Let's get to work.
You cannot fill a bucket that has holes in it. Step 1 is the leak audit. The average American spends over $400 a month on ghost expenses. Subscriptions you forgot about, dining out when you have food at home, and random Amazon purchases.
I want you to print out your last 3 months of bank statements. Yes, print them. Highlight every single purchase that wasn't necessary for survival. That $15 sandwich, that unused streaming service, that is your future $10,000 hiding in plain sight. If you can reclaim just $300 a month here, that is $3,600 a year, almost 40% of our goal. If you are parking your savings in a checking account at Chase, Bank of America, or Wells Fargo, you are losing money every single day. Their interest rates are practically zero. You need a high-yield savings account, or HYSA. In 2025, many online banks are paying between 4% to 5% APY just to hold your money. On a $10,000 balance, a regular bank pays you $1 a year. A high-yield account pays you $500 a year for doing nothing. This is the easiest passive income you will ever make. Move your savings fund there immediately. Willpower is a limited resource. If you wait until the end of the month to save what's left over, you will save $0. You need to reverse the equation. Set up an automatic transfer for the day after your payday. If you get paid on the 1st, set an auto transfer of $200 or whatever you can afford to your HYSA on the 2nd. Treat your savings like a bill. You pay your landlord, you pay Netflix, why aren't you paying your future self? Make it automatic and you won't even miss the money. There is a limit to how much you can cut expenses, but there is no limit to how much you can earn. To hit 10K fast, you need to widen the gap. Can you pick up 2 extra shifts? Can you sell old clothes on Poshmark or electronics on eBay? If you can make an extra $500 a month and throw it directly into that 5% interest account, you cut your timeline in half. In the US gig economy, making an extra $100 a week is very possible if you are focused. Here is the best part. When you hit $10,000, you don't just have money. You have leverage. You have a safety net. You walk into your job differently because you're not one paycheck away from disaster. It's not about being rich yet. It's about being secure. Start with the audit, open the high-yield account, automate the process, and grind for that extra income. If you want to know exactly which high-yield savings accounts are the best right now, check out this video right here where I rank the top banks for 2025. Don't forget to subscribe to American Money Playbook. I'll see you in the next one.